Oi! Step over here!
Okay, I'm right here, sir.
Heard you calling.
Aye, 'cause I was. I thank Mother Nature she didn't skimp on my voice, as she did with some others I know. See, one of us, a gill, went mute all of a sudden. No spell or potion helps him. But it is said strong emotions and experiences can restore speech. So, I thought perhaps you might... I'll pay you, of course. Give you an excellent Gwent card.
Excellent. I like that.
Suppose I could try, but I wouldn't even know where to start. You want me to scare him?
Aye, good, good. That should do it. Scare, irritate, whatever you wish, provided you do him no harm. You can usually find a gill near the hallowed oak. Poor man, he's probably praying in his heart for a cure.
Okay, I can annoy and scare people.
Me? I take a close look at that shaman Yort. They say he poisons the Jarl.
What?
The very reason Udalric's slowly losing his mind.
What kind of a half
Exactly.
tale is that?
Come on. Stop your gossiping. Let's find this guy. Taciturn druid. This must be him. Well, he's sleeping, so... If we maybe, Well... We did scare him, but he didn't say anything. Oh! Didn't seem to like that very much. What you gonna have a little meditate?
But you moderate, stop pestering me with this confounded cough.
I like to have a little meditate sometimes. But what about, there's some bees. How about that, huh? You like those bees? Oh, he does not like the bees.
You look wearied, Whitehair.
Oh, didn't like that either. Oh, he's made a little fire. Gonna have a little sit by the fire. Oh, he's warming himself. Not for long. Oh. I don't want to attack him. Stop pestering me with that confounded line. Jeez. Ugh.
It's true. No lie in the legends.
I'm not attacking anybody.
Nomadic slayer of beasts and monsters.
Okay, what if I get right in between him and the fire? Oh, I could just walk up to it and that's fine too. Hello?
Stop pestering me with this
Oh my gosh, dude.
Piss off already, you! Oh, my vow of silence. Oh,
Uh-oh.
3 years. 3 years! Not a word, not a peep! Until today, you made me break my vow. Happy?
Well, somebody was playing tricks.
Oh, sorry. Someone tricked me. I thought...
Boo-hoo-hoo! My deepest sympathies. Now get out of my sight, you imbecile!
Wow, he's not very nice. Not very, peaceful and monk-like. I guess we did annoy him into breaking his vow of silence, so...
I beat my breast and swear it weren't my fault.
Oh, are we worshipping this tree? It's a pretty good tree. It's better than that spooky tree in Velen, that's for sure. Sir? Got some splaining to do. Are you in here?
Oh, come here, Witcher. Gil's got something to say.
Aye, that you're a cruel and malicious old bot.
Aww.
We're easy a glory you attain.
Killing the ice,
Never
Jan.
perish.
Oh.
Heard him screaming, clear over here. Grand work, Witcher. Your reward, as promised.
Well, alright, you got me.
How about that? Beard down to his waist and a toddler's sense of humor. Good luck to you.
Oh, I had no one to talk to. Am I to go with Gremist each time I wish to chat?
Yorvith, that's a Scoia'tael card. Well, alright, fine.
Word is you've seen the devastated boot.
Ah.
You must pass your knowledge on. I will try it must get to its spawning ground. I should do what I please.
What's up with this guy?
Yes? What do you seek?
Kind old geezer I just saw you talking to. Who was he?
One of our circle? Gremist? An exceptional alchemist? But a stubborn mean ass.
Well, been around sorceresses my share. Long enough to know that with great enlightenment comes even greater arrogance.
But sorceresses welcome apprentices, am I right? Not Gremist. So many formulae in that head. So many methods of ingesting and absorbing lethal toxins. But he'd rather take them to the grave than share.
Yeah, why?
Why is he averse to having an apprentice?
How should I know? Perhaps because he's a stubborn mean ass.
As you mentioned before. Well, let's see. Premise?
Leaves a bit near, mashed with his pollen.
Want to talk to you.
But I do not wish to speak. Leave. You distress me.
You seem a nice enough guy.
Well, I'm not. I plan never to be.
I
I
see.
became a druid to avoid others. To not have to deal with them. Not to smile when I don't wish to feign compassion when someone's travails matter less to me than a pair of birch cones.
Wow.
So I shall be straight. Get out of my sight. Before something, I know not what, deprives you of yours.
I want you to share your knowledge. Teach me alchemy.
You? My apprentice? That's rich. While you're at it, why don't you ask Uderic if he'll share Spickerog with you?
I'm serious.
Is that so? Don't make me laugh. I've devoted my life to alchemy. Son, literally. Spent countless days and nights with nothing but alembics, choking on fumes, scorching my skin with acids. If you think I'll simply betray to you what I learned through years of sacrifice and toil, then you're mistaken. Deeply.
This is part of the reason that hazing continues. Alright, what do you want me to do?
Can I convince you somehow?
Oh, gods. You're as bothersome as a gadfly before a storm. Though I am preparing to perform a rather tricky ritual. So I could use some help. Even yours. I require 3 favors. Do them for me, and I shall accept you as my apprentice.
Okay.
Well, well. There's a way after all.
Get off your high horse and listen. First, you must bring me a pimpernel from the Muskogan forest. Second, I need a bottle of spirit from the old distillery on Hale Hill. Finally, convince Fritjof to help me perform the rite. He's a druid like I am. You'll find him near Blandara. I believe he's there on a matter of some import. So, what will it be?
Who is Fritjof?
This Fritjof. Who is he?
The Vedamaker, huh? You don't know the word, do you? And I pledge to make you my apprentice. A Vedamaker is a druid who can manipulate the weather. Stop a storm, cause hail, make lightning turn your enemy to ash. I advise to address him with the utmost respect, if you value your life.
Okay.
Spirit. Why do you need that?
As you must know, potential apprentice, alcohol is the base for all potions. Superior alcohol means a higher quality potion. This spirit has no equal. Its strength, its flavor. Unfortunately, the distillery atop Hale Hill has fallen into disrepair. We've lacked a source ever since. But you'll manage somehow, won't you? You're so confident.
Sure. Alright.
Pimpernel. Far as I know, it's got no use in alchemy apart from...
Did you teach your grandmother to suck eggs? It's not any pimpernel, but the one that grows in the Muscardin forest. And if the rumors are true, a creature jealously guards all the herbs growing there.
Forest creature jealously guarding some secrets? Sounds familiar.
Yep. Alright. I will get for you. Get for thee these items 3.
Alright, I'll do it. But this ritual you want to perform, what's that about?
If you wish to be my apprentice, you must stop asking questions. I decide what to tell you and when to do it. Now go, chop chop, before I change my mind.
Whoa! Standing a little close there, dude. Okay, Grimmist. Where's all this stuff that you want me to get? Okay. Guy over here. There's some stuff down here. Let's go get Fritjof first. House.
Why is that? They ain't too deep in the rock.
Fritjof. Fritjof, we need your help. For a ritual.
Get
Where is he?
tired, huh?
Ah.
You must all enter your own line. Shut the windows. Lock the doors. Don't like this. You shouldn't be risking your life for us. Worms. What worms? Do as you say. Worms on your brain. They're the only worms here. Don't like me making goat cheese on the grass.
Wow. A loud discussion about butchery. Look at these guys go. In time, too. Okay, Fritjof. What are you doing with these sheep and this giant dog? Wow.
You Fritjof?
That's right. And what do they call you, Witcher?
Me? Drifter, stranger, mutant, sometimes even by my name. Geralt of Rivia.
Ha! A man with a sense of humor. I like that. Well, what can I do for you, Geralt of Rivia?
You've got a scary dog, sir.
Grimmist wanted me to summon you. Need you to help him perform a ritual.
A ritual? Will this one stop him from being a mean old goat? I would go see him for old time's sake, but I've more important matters on my mind. Look about you. The ground. See how dry it is. It's not rained for weeks. The grass and pastures is withered. Sheep are starving. I must bring rain, but fear that... Wait just a moment. Perhaps you could help me.
Perhaps I
How?
could.
I'm a man of many talents, but manipulating the weather's not one of them.
I have in mind a different skill, involving your sword. You see, Mother Nature dislikes it when you take something from her by force. She will defend herself. So fiercely, in fact, that I could use a defender myself. What do you say?
That sounds like something I can do.
Sure, I'll help, provided you go see Grimmist afterwards.
Agreed. Now follow me. Time for a little storm.
Okay, Fritjof, lead the way. Oh, look at those sheeps. Are you gonna sacrifice these sheep, Fritjof?
Animal sacrifice?
Should we burn folk at the stake as they do on the continent? Better a sacrifice of goats and sheep, I think.
Sorry, sheeps.
Decent folk live here.
Okay. Oh, I can't do a Quen. I do a Quen? Oh, I can't do a Meridian Bomb. Ooh.
Skuka Svarm Fatna Hala!
It's starting.
Why can't I Quen? What's wrong with Quen? Uh-oh. Now can I Quen? No, come on. Why is it not letting me Quen? Can I Ard? No. What is happening? Can I eat a fish? Yes. Woo! Thanks, dog. Wow, what a nice... Oh. Okay, I don't know why I can't use any signs. Not ideal, but fine. Whoop! Haha! Oh! Oh, it got me. Did you just hit him with a lightning bolt? Oh. Still can't Quen. I feel like this is a bug. Oh, good job, dude. Way to go.
The storm, damn it.
I've not managed a storm that fine for ages. Did you see the drops? The size of eggs.
A little busy tending to the foglets. They weren't small either.
Ah, yes. Unfortunately, they always emerge. But perhaps that's for the best.
Why?
For the best. Why?
If manipulating the weather carried no risks, it'd not give me peace. Make it rain, make the sun shine. Some would want storms, others a sea calm as a pond frozen over. This way folk petition me only when their need is great, not because they've had a whim.
I get it.
Fair point.
There are times I wish I didn't have to chase this nicker or that drowner. Will you go see Grimace now?
With pleasure. After a storm of those proportions, I should gladly have her to help him with his ritual. Till then.
Sus. One down, two to go. Distillery. A shroud of secrecy envelops this place. All that is known is that it produces the finest hooch in all of Skellige. Ooh. Oops. Oh. There we go. Ugh. Gross out. Alright, who's in here? Oh, Cyclops! Alright, Cyclops. Woo! Woo! Oh, he got me. I'm gonna get him though. Oh, no! No! I got cocky.
Cyclops won't bother me anymore. Can look around peacefully now.
Yep. Oh, wow. Well, definitely got that guy. And this horse. Poor things. Ooh. Can I examine these or what? Witches? Aha.
Distilling recipes. Parchment's a little faded, but legible.
Tialfa, I'm giving you one last chance. Either do everything properly, or your apprenticeship is over and you can start packing your bags. Here are your instructions. Read them twice to make sure they make it into that watery brain of yours. Put the mash in the evaporator. Light the fire under the evaporator. Cool the condenser. First turn the right lever, then the left, not the other way around. Now, is that hard? No, the answer's no, so get to work. Dagfin. P.S. Don't toss rotten malt out behind the distillery. Dump it in the stream. Otherwise, someone will catch a whiff of something and come investigate. Okay. Put it in, light the fire. Right, then left. Right, then left. Distiller's log. Damn, beasts come round again. Refused to go till I poured some spirit in the basin. Till I filled it to the brim. Drank it all in one slurp and left. Not a week's passed and it's come again. I threw stones to chase it off. Then it threw stones back and broke 3 of my ribs. Howled and screamed till I poured some more. I've gone through my ledger. That plowing beast drank half my supply. I shan't give it another drop no matter what. I think it's time I called for a witcher. A little too late, it seems. So this Cyclops got a taste for whatever these spirits are. Okay, see if we can find some mash. Dump it in the river is what the note said. So we might have to go out. Did I just hear bees? That was rotten malt, though. We don't want that. Maybe it's up here. Cyclops. You destroyed your own supply. Not up here. Oh! See a bottle up there. Mash.
Got lucky.
There we go.
Bit of mash left.
Do I put it in here? Oh. Oh, sir. What you doing? Open.
Here's where the mash goes. Probably.
Probably. Mash. Transfer.
Done. Now to boil the mash.
Yeah. Igni. Cool. Right, and then left.
Ought to be enough. Time to cool it down. Well, well. Turns out I'm quite the distiller.
Woo! Okay. That's probably not what I want. Oh, this barrel, yes. Skellige spirit. Excellent. The last one in all of Skellige. Unless somebody comes back and reopens this place, which I guess they could do now. Now that the Cyclops is taken care of. Find a pimpernel in the woods. Okay. Let's have a little meditate first, though, Roach. Get some light back. And maybe for the rain to stop. I don't know. Bit dark, but that's okay. The rain did stop. Let's go, Roach. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Fine. It's just one wolf? Yeah. Come here. I don't want you bothering me. Oh, there's more. Oh, they're fast. Are the rest of them coming? No, I think... Oh, there's some over here. Coming over here.
Pollen on the leaves still. Someone picked the bloom recently.
Hmm.
Another seeker of Pimpernel.
Another?
Gremist has sent countless young druids into the forest. They emerge drained, with a blank stare, and with no flower. And they never speak of what happened. I've asked Gremist to stop the folly. He looked at me and laughed.
What a guy.
It's over. One of our novices, Ramond, has failed to return. I've come to find him, alive or dead.
What do you know about this forest?
Not much. Funny, isn't it? A druid should know every tree, every bush. But even we know not to venture to some parts of the isle. We can subdue animals, but not monsters. And the word is, one has made its lair here.
A Leshen? An Axabrum?
Sadly,
Axabrum.
I don't know. As I said, those who have entered do not speak of who or what they saw.
Okay.
Listen, you're looking for a druid, I'm looking for a flower. Let's go in together.
Why not? I could use the help of a tracker. Lead the way.
Okay.
Flower. No petals. Hoofprints. But a bipeds.
Uh-oh. I think we know what that means. Between that and the blank stares of these young men. Wolf. Come on. Okay, let's see. Whatever. Oh.
Footprints. Some fresh, others faded. All leading in the same direction.
Okay. Whatever this monster is, it really likes these scarlet pimpernels.
Oh, no. Oh, stop, please. Haha. Oh, this is great. No, stop. Please. Stop it, that tickles. Two can play this game, you horny goat woman.
Unhand him, hellish creature. Raymond, step away from her.
Calm down. I've not been harmed. I came here.
You don't know what you're saying. She's cast a spell on you.
Nonsense. I need no spell. These boys come here themselves. In fact, I must use magic to drive them away, make them go home. Only Raymond was nice, so I let him stay.
I see through your lies. Your wretched charm won't work on me. I shall kill you here and now, monster.
Yep. Gotta take this succubus out.
Met a lot of succubi on the path. None set out to hurt anyone, but they all killed eventually. Lost themselves when feeding, drained their lovers dry of life force.
Not her, she's different.
Out of my way, and don't interfere.
Oh boy. Woo. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I meant to do a Quen. Oh my gosh. Gotta have a Quen. Okay. Oh, get him! Yeah, wow, okay. You didn't need my help. Perfect. Jeez. I guess that worked.
Whoa, what have you done?
We saved you, Raymond.
The hell you did! She'd never hurt me! Never!
Oh boy. Nice job, old dude. It's pretty handy, actually.
Maybe not you, but she'd kill someone eventually, that's certain. Succubi feed on human energy. Lose that, and it means death eventually.
Life leads to death eventually. You're murderers! Go to hell!
Incredible. We risked our lives to find him. Now we're the monsters.
Happens a lot more often than you think. Now if you'll excuse me, I gotta find that damn flower. Any idea where there might be Pimpernel?
You saw the forest. Not a daisy or a kingcup in sight. I'd say it's her doing. She took them, gathered them. Somewhere nearby. Farewell, Witcher. Thank you for your help. And good luck.
Musk and flower pollen. Strong scent. Ought to lead me to her lair.
Strawberries. Oh, that's what she had on her? Was just strawberries? I must have picked up everything else. Okay. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Ah, yep.
So that's
Where all
why
the
she's
flowers
been
went.
picking all those flowers.
My goodness, what a den. Alright, Pimpernel? Aha. Excellent. We did it. And we took out a succubus on the way. Oof. Okay, Grimmist. Back.
Did everything you asked.
Phenomenal, my boy. So, Fridtjof, shall we begin?
The sooner the better. We've a long night ahead of us.
Ritual is only for members of the inner circle. Thus, my dear apprentice, you must wait outside. Under no circumstances must you enter. We shall begin your tutelage come morn.
Really?
Will you finally tell me what the ritual's about?
Nay. No one likes a meddler. Suffice to say, it's a burning matter now. Shout!
There we go. Okay, Grimmist.
I must have another. That's good stuff.
Aye, as the base from Mosh Gordon and Spirit from Hail Hell. Good times, Fritjof. Good times. Finally, something other than damn potions and transmutations.
Guess the ritual's not over yet.
Good. I thought I told you to stay outside. Only druids in the inner circle.
Smirkle, Smirkle. Let the boy have some fun. He's earned it.
Fine. Pour yourselves on. Good. Let the lessons begin.
Oh boy. Yes, obviously this was not for a ritual. It was because he wanted to have a night of drinking with his buddy. I still don't know what the Pimpernel was for, but maybe to infuse the spirits.
Drink hard and study hard. I like the idea.
Yeah. I call it stimulation and assimilation. First you stimulate, and then you assimilate. Now shut down. Right. Let's start with ingesting toxins. Best approach, practice makes perfect.
I've practiced a lot already. Good thing.
I'll make learning my secret method easier. Look, you take the potion like this, and gulp.
Wow. What incredible knowledge we're gaining. Oh boy. Grimmist. What a bad influence. Oh boy. Nothing like Lambert and Eskel, rest in peace. But, probably pretty good fun all the same. Well, thanks, I guess, Grimmist. Alright, what's this place? Hello?
Sawmill looks abandoned.
It sure does. But clearly there must be something here. I hear spiders. I don't like spiders. What does the marker say? Though located deep in the forest, an ideal place for lumber harvesting, the sawmill lies abandoned and unused. Oh, the spiders are over there. Oh, what's this? In here. Letter from a druid. You have gone mad if you think that these attacks and accidents are our doing. Not a single druid has taken action against you, and none of us wish you harm. Our calling is to care for nature, but not at the price of human lives. In fact, man is also a part of nature, and we are not allowed to do him any deliberate harm. Note, however, that nature is ruled by her own laws, and if she has let you know that you are not welcome here, it would be wise to consider a halt to your woodcutting, for your good and for the good of the forest. Okay, so something's been attacking the woodcutter guys. They thought it was the druids, and the druids are saying, no, it's some other part of nature. I'm guessing Leshen. I've never actually done this quest, but that's my guess. It's always a Leshen. Up here? It's just a sawmill. box, though. Oh, nothing over here. Uh-oh.
Human bones. Guess they're all that's left of the lumberjacks.
Lumberjacks is the word I was looking for, not... It is a lesson. It's always a lesson. What's the deal with lessons again? Hang on. Dimeridium Igni. Do I have Dimeridium? I do. Uh-huh. Always. Every time. Woo! Oh, that lesson is nothing compared to the other lesson. Whoa. Compared to the other lessons we've fought. He just blasted off into outer space. Jeez. He didn't even leave any goodies behind for me. Okay, well, that was interesting, I guess. No more lesson. Let's continue with what we were doing. Whew. Huh?
Slow now. Whoa.
What is going on down there? Okay, coming. Whoa! No pirates! Whoa! Nice job, dude. You didn't even really need my help.
Thank you, White One. You're not one of us, but you sure fight like an islander. How's it you came to Skellige?
Long story. Got something to take care of here.
As we all do. Me, for instance, I'm looking for my sister.
What happened to her?
Pirates took her. But I'll get him in me grip and squeeze. Regret their mothers ever bore him as they shit themselves.
Okay.
Nowhere to go. Got any clues?
These two here, before they pounced on me, said their captain had set sail for Hindersfjall. Karisu were on board his longboat.
Hope you find her.
Listen, if you come across those pirates or see Karisu anywhere, tell her to go to Blandair. Tell her to go home.
Okay. In fact, I think that name rings a bell.
Got my word on that. Farewell.
All right. We'll take out the other ones if they approach us on land. Like this. Oh. Come on, girl. What are you doing? There you go. Pirate ship. Do not. Flying in a circle? Alright, well, if you're not gonna bother me, I'm not gonna bother you. Notes of a pirate. Hauled in a mighty fine catch this time. 7 women and 10 men, each healthy and strong. Top quality goods. We know that some of these guys are slavers. Captain doesn't know yet where we'll sell them, but for merchandise like this, we're sure to get a good price anywhere. Perhaps we'll sail to Illegible. There's this one we've got who's damn pretty, but a damn pain in the ass too. If not for that, I'd keep her for myself, but when she's not bawling her eyes out, she's yelling threats at us. Demands we let her go or drop her off at Freya's temple, and that if we don't, her brother will sail after her and slaughter us all. Now that'll be the day when... Illegible? First 3 days at sea were quiet, but now a storm's blowing in. Blasted Skellige weather. Why couldn't it just wait till we left these waters? Text ends abruptly. I guess that is when they crashed here. Okay. So, they got caught in a storm, they smashed on the rocks, and there is in fact a Temple of Freya on Lofoten. We've been there. So.
Priestesses of Freya would
Okay.
attend to any survivors.
Get up.
Only ones around here with any notion about medical care.
on, Geralt. Oh. Hello. All right. Yosta.
You who grant us love, hatred, and strength.
Kirisu. We have met her before.
Welcome to the Temple of Freya. I'm Kirisu. How can I help?
You're Kirisu?
I.
Ran into your brother. He's scouring all Skellige for you.
You know him? Truly? How is he?
Fine. Mentioned some pirates had kidnapped you.
'Twas the most horrible night of my life. I remember fire, cries, and the clink of iron against iron. They herded us on a longship. Toward dawn a storm broke. It was mayhem, so I took advantage and jumped overboard. Sisters Astrid and Dala found me on the beach, near dead. They brought me to the temple, watched over me. I owe them my life.
You were lucky. Very.
True. Soon as I get back to Bland Air, me and my brother will make an offering to Freya. And I thank you for your help.
Take care now.
Ooh.
You who grant us love, hatred, and
So are you going? I guess she's gonna go. Good.